Sunday marks 2 years since Botham Jean was shot and killed in his apartment by a Dallas police officer. The North Texas state representative will use the anniversary of Jean's death to announce proposed legislation. Fox 4's Sean Rabin now to tell us about what's being called Bo's Law. Sean.
And Clarice, Botham Jean's mother, glad to see it. State Rep Carl Sherman is the author of this legislation, and he tells me the measure will increase police accountability.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Off-duty Dallas police officer Amber Geiger shot and killed Botham Jean in his apartment, thinking he was an intruder in hers. Under the state's castle doctrine, she thought she was protecting her property against an intruder. At trial, defense argued mistake of fact. Geiger mistakenly thinking she was one floor beneath Botham Jean in her own residence, a mistake of fact that proved fatal.
You can't think that it's your property. You can't, defend property that's not your property, but think it's your property. And mistake of fact is also a part of that.
State Representative Carl Sherman introducing Bo's Law, legislation to clarify the language around castle doctrine to those issues. His bill also addresses police recording devices.
That they cannot turn their body cams off or dash cams in the middle of an investigation.
Any law that seeks to prevent what happened, the occurrences after his death, is highly supported by me.
Allison Jean, Botham Jean's mother, says she's glad to see something substantive.
In all of the hype over Black Lives Matter and police reform, I am happy that there is a demonstration of serious change to legislation that will move towards improving on the manner in which police officers do their work, and also in how victims get justice.
Now, Sherman plans to go into great detail about his proposed legislation at his 2 o'clock Sunday news conference. Tells me he's going to be joined by legislators from across the state virtually and in person, along with some area police chiefs. He plans to file this for the next legislative session, which starts in January.